Okay guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. Sorry this is a late one today. We had some problems with our electricity and also I had some problems with my computer. Basically one of the USBs wasn't working properly and it's fizzled out at the end, it's just blown. So we're presuming that's because of the power going off. There was some sort of power surge, something wrong with the connectors. Down on Northwest or something. The Northwest electricity lines here in the UK. So I don't know what's going on, but apparently it was just my area that was affected, but clearly something's blown. So today we're just going to be doing a short one. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a broom, just like a standard kind of broom kind of thing. So we'll start with the default cube, and I've done it again. How do I do this every single time? Screencast keys. Get it into my head. Right. So we're gonna take the default cube. We're just gonna pull it outwards a little bit. We're just gonna make this into kind of like a basic broom handle. I'm gonna go edit, and I'm just gonna take the top face and also, actually, you know, I'll do the sides in a minute. So just press E for extrude, and then we're just gonna scale it inwards just slightly, just to get a little bit of a curve and a little bit of a bevel. We can put a bevel to this afterwards anyway. And then I'm going to just curve in the bottom a little bit, so E for extrude. And then we're just going to go inwards. Just make it kind of flush, so it's kind of got an edge. And then what we'll do, we'll take this little section here, and this is where we're going to put the brushes. But I'm going to do this on a separate layer. So we'll go back to object mode. We're going to go add. And then we'll add a cylinder. We're just going to elongate this. So this will be the handle of the broom. Press G, just move it up. As I said, this is just going to be a basic broom for today. Scale it upwards. I just place it in the top, just there. So we're going to do just shade smooth on both of them. Pretty good. So this is like one of those more modern brooms rather than the stereotypical witch's broom, I guess. So we're going to go to add. We want to add, I think cube would be best, I think, for this. Scale it outwards and just make sure that it fits the base of your broom here. Scale it down. G, bring it up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scale it inwards a little bit, scale it across a little bit, and then scale it down. So at this point we're going to want to make some bristles. So we're going to go on edit mode. We're going to go onto this section right here. Go onto materials. We're going to press plus, new. And this is going to be the material for the entire cube right here. We want a new one, so we're going to press plus again, press new, click assign, make this kind of like a, I don't know, like a dark red, kind of brown colour, dark orange, I guess. Click assign, and then what we're going to do is go to the particles, press plus. You want emitter on this, so I mean, like, go to object mode right there. Let me see. I'm just going to go to cycles. So we're going to go back to the physics, wherever it's gone. Sorry, the particles tab even. We could do hair. So you've got hair coming on here. Now you've got hair on all sides right here. So I mean, you can keep this if you want. Or we could brush it down so that it's making one singular thing. So we're just going to want to shorten this as well, I think. Just add some more bristles. Let's put the length maybe as 1 meter. Is that... a little bit longer than 1 meter, I'd say. Okay, so let's increase the volume just a little bit to give it kind of that brush look. And then I'm just going to go to edit mode. I think the best way to do this would probably be to get rid of these sides. So just click on the sides, just press delete, delete faces. Hopefully yeah, the bristles don't come through the top. So edit mode, I'm just going to go ahead and delete the sides as well. I should have done this on a plane, to be honest with you. Faces there, face there. I'll just put this on X-ray mode so you can see what's going on. If it'll work. Let's take this face right here. Come on, why are you not selecting it? There we go. So you've just primarily got a plane now that's doing this. So yeah, now you can see the bristles coming out. So just press G, just move it up. And that would be your basic brush model kind of thing going on. Yeah, sorry about the short tutorial today. It's just yeah, everything's been going on everywhere today, and the electric's just going every 5 minutes. So yeah, alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.